you doing here? Yeah, welcome to my blog, and this is Altitude. Now I've tried to rehook up the gimbal, and now I actually have power to the gimbal, but I plugged it in. After I plugged it in, then I went and hooked it up to the controller, and then sent it on to and checked it on the iPad, and I've still got a gimbal disconnect. And of course, as you saw in the other video, how wild the camera is, and the gimbal just spinning all over the place and out of control. So I've got no choice but to tear this back apart and see if I don't have a bad cable, or a cable that was sent to me that's wrong for the 4K. It might be right for the standard, but it may not be right for the 4K. So I just happen to have received the other one, the first one that I ordered, almost 4 months ago. So I do have the second cable, and I did notice how flimsy this new cable was that I got compared to the original DJI cable. So unfortunately, I really don't want to pull it apart again, but I guess I'm going to. Stay tuned. First thing is sitting on the little bungees. So we got to pull the bungees. Just squeeze them and pop them out. Squeeze them, pop them out. Squeeze them and pop them out. Now we got to disconnect. Now we got to disconnect the cables that are holding that on. And the quickest way to do it is just put your fingernail in there. So you can do it with one hand, not flying around. Just put your fingernail right in under here, and it'll pop it loose. Oh my word. To what extent this is happening. I'm going to try. Huh. Let's plug back in. What's it do now? Oh, you're all right. Okay. Yeah, I'm done playing. It's time to do what I really don't want to do. So something isn't kosher. There you go. Alright, here we are. Right. Unfortunately, alright, let's get this back on the road again. So, let's see. Put my freaking screws together again. Okay. Alright, so I can pull the, keep all the screws together on each piece like we need to. Alright, well, this is a small star. Gotta pull the back off of it. And this way the other black screw went, where it was supposed to go, is back in here. And unfortunately it didn't. Little screws. Okay. Alrighty. Take the back off of it. All screws back in. Whoa. There you go. Bouncing around on me.
Dude?
Yeah, dude.
You just missed the best episode yet.
Yeah, okay.
Like, you should have watched this one. Even if you couldn't watch any of the other shit.
Yeah, okay. Where did you go? Where did you go, you little shit? I hate when that happens. Okay, got that one, that one there. Got me. But right here. There he is. I'm gonna. No, oh shoot! Wasn't it either? Oh, hate when that happens. And I think I found the cord. Hope not. Can't see without light. I gotta take the light with me.
Guess what? I don't see it here either.
Alright, let's sit up higher. It's amazing how things disappear. Things just disappear. And they're supposed to be still sitting right here. Alright, I bounced in here somehow. We're gonna move on. It's back apart. Okay. Had to pull these screws back out. Keep those in there. is actually missing a third black screw. Okay, you can see here, here's your camera. Oh, look at that. I'm glad I came back in here. I got a nice fingerprint still on it. That ain't freaking cool. Little son of a gun. This had to be specially spun. Oh, shoot. I'll do that. Not yet. You've got a little band that's right here. It has to come off. And that exposes the wire. Okay. Stay close. Stay around this side. Okay. That's one thing. And that little band will slide out. Maybe. Come on. There you go. And a little band slides out. Keep those little screws together with that. Okay. Can't stay there. Alright. Now the cable is completely released. And now I can actually get to the cable. This has a little release. You pull it back. There we go. Okay. This had a little lift. There it is. It stands up and you can slide it right out. Lay that right in there. And you lay the thing down over it and locks it in. Huh. Flip it back up. Now the cable pops out. And I have my fingerprints all over that thing. Nice. So ay.